my prediction is now that we're finally seeing CISOs being put into executive level sponsorship. We're starting to see now that they're not quite all on the board, but they've gotten board level sponsorship. And so some of these thought leaders are really now, they're no longer focused on checking a box and saying we're compliant based on these government regulations. They're focusing on tools, tactics, and procedures that the adversary has. So my prediction in 2020 is that's going to continue. So those blue teams are going to continue to mature, and they're going to continue to focus on the detection and then the response. So the idea is that I'm still seeing, unfortunately in 2019, we're still too focused on compliance and risk and governance. You need that. You can't get away from that. But a true blue teamer who's trying to protect the enterprise, they need to be focused on tools. They need to be focused on procedures and attack methods. That's the only way they're going to be able to continue to improve their program. And I'm seeing that more and more, and I really hope that I see that more in 2020. So machine learning is really going to be the thing that's going to help them with that. Because of the fact that you're letting the machines automate a lot of work for you, humans still have to make decisions. You're not going to get rid of the brain, but what the machines can do is they can bring all that automated work to this human's decisions, and they can then look and say, hey, this is what I want to address, or this, thank you for bringing it up, but we're not going to worry about that at this time. So I feel like machine learning is continuing to grow. It used to be considered, fake or a marketing term, but it's actually real. It's in Python code. AI is marketing in a PowerPoint slide. But machine learning is real and it is working, and more enterprises are deploying it to help them with these automated detection capabilities.